everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and I hope everybody's well, and welcoming all my new subscribers, and nice to see you here, and I hope you enjoy my channel. It's mainly about crochet and knitting, and there's a bit of few tutorials, yarn hauls, and anything else I think of doing making a video of. Today guys, Reggie from J Hook Crochet is moving back home to Israel, and she's destashing, and in her Etsy shop she has some mystery bags. So this is the bag that came today, and let's see what I got. I did have the choice of whether I wanted wool, and obviously I can't use wool, so let's see what she sent me. I'm quite excited actually. So it didn't take long to get here either. I think it took about a week maybe. Ooh. So first thing I see is I've got like a backpack bag, and it's Yarn Squad. Very nice, in my favourite colour as well. So isn't that good? It's like you wear it as you can put it on as a backpack. So that's nice. And then what else have I got? Oh, I've got tea bags. What have I got? I've got Fresh Glow, I'm not sure, and a bag of winter, oh, spiced orange. They smell nice. Wonder if they'll taste nice, guys. So anyway, I've got them, and then I've got, oh, ice yarn. Oh, I think I've got this yarn up there in the pinks. Excuse the crackling, guys. Excuse the crackling. It's in lovely blues and teals. Oh, it's really nice and soft. So I got 2, 4, 6, I got 8. Oh, it's Picasso. Nice, look at that colour. Isn't that beautiful? And they are made from ice, so you know they're made in Turkey. It's 44 acrylic, 56 polyester, 50 grams or 115 meters, 4 weight. Oh, that feels so soft. Nice. Love the colour. That'll be nice. So I've got 8 of those. Very nice. What else did I get? I've got Placard biological cotton. And this is, I've never seen this type of cotton. It's kind of got a halo. Can you see? I'm not sure if you can see the halo. Never seen cotton. It is 50 grams, 125 meters, and organic textile. Oh, I've got 2 of them. So I've got this colour, which is number 11, and I've got this colour, which is like a sage green. They go nice together, won't they? I'm not sure what weight they are. Let me see if I can find a weight. Let me see. Oh, these were created in France, and doesn't tell me what. Oh, a number 4. So I would say that's a 3 weight. I would say. What do you think? I think that would be a 3 weight, possibly a 4. So I got them. Oh, oh, Moxa. This is what, oh, Moya, a kind of its own shimmer, bamboo, 50% bamboo, 50% cotton, and it's made in South Africa, and this is what our Ursula uses. It's a 4-ply, and does it say a colour? No, and it, oops, one minute. Oops. And I've got 2 of those, really nice, and they are 125 meters, 3.5 to a 4mm hook, so I reckon they're a DK. They're definitely a DK. It says 4-ply. I'm not sure. Maybe a sport weight? Don't know. Very nice. Very nice. They'd be nice making Ursula's mandala pattern. Yes, so I've got that. And then what else have I got? Let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh, oh, Twister. Oh, she sent me 2 Twister. Oh, brilliant. So this will add to my collection. This is 55% cotton, 45% acrylic. It's a 2-weight, 400 meters, 437 yards, a 3 to 4mm and knitting needle, and this is colour number 103, and this is colour number 108, and I've got these. I don't think I've got the pale one. I've got the darker grey. Aren't they nice? So thank you, Reggie. I'm really pleased with these cottons and the ice yarn. So yeah, so that's all from me for today. I'll hope to see you again all real soon. Take care, stay safe, but as I always say, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.